Good morning, Achieve Charter School. It's so good to be here today. It's Friday, May 14th, 2021. We've got a good Friday at school and then a weekend coming up. And actually today we're going to talk about how can you show the virtue on a weekend. That's a pretty cool idea. Let's talk more about that in a few minutes. Let's start with the Pledge of Allegiance. Please stand at attention. Salute. Pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. All right, you can have a seat. Show me a good slant. You're sitting up nice and straight. So check this out. We've been talking about reliability all week. That means people can count on you, right? So when your teacher says it's time to work, your teacher knows that you are going to work, right? And people can count on you to do that. We talked about we want to count on you to keep our campus clean. Your friends need to count on you to make good choices. I want to talk about a different idea this morning. What is a way that you can show reliability at home? We touched on this a little bit the other day. We had a few ideas about that. But the whole focus today, you're going into the weekend. You get off school a little early today. You're going to be at home for 2.5 days. How will you make choices that show people they can count on you? Is there something at home that you've been getting a lot of reminders about that maybe you haven't done? That would be a good thing to think about. Is there something at home where your parents have to ask you over and over? That would be a good thing to think about. Or is there something that you just want to show your parents, like, I can take care of this by myself. I don't need you to help me with that anymore. You don't do that by saying, no, don't help me. You do that by showing them that you can do it. So let's have a chat. What are some ways you can be reliable at home and let your parents, your brothers and sisters, your grandparents, everybody know that they can count on you? Have a great day, Achieve. Have a good weekend. Bye.